Hey, welcome back to another Carl's Garage video. Today, I'm in a little bit of a pickle. As you can see, I'm in my wife's Toyota Corolla. What am I gonna do next? Stay tuned. Okay, guys, welcome back. So today, as you see, I'm in a little bit of a pickle. It's dark and it looks like that I might be doing something that I shouldn't be. Actually, I am. My wife has had this 2016 Toyota Corolla, brand new from the dealership, and she's never had one of these changed. Okay. She's never had this thing changed, so she doesn't know that I got it. Okay. I was just supposed to get brake pads, and if you guys go look at that video, I changed her brake pads, but I did not tell her that I was going to change her cabin air filter. Now, she leaves all the car stuff up to me, okay? It's up to Carl's Garage, to change out, keep her car clean, and all this other stuff, and her car is a mess. I won't show you. She'll kill me if I show you. But so today, I just wanted to do something for her that she didn't know, and what's great is, so between the price of the pads, go check out that video. Make sure you go check out it. Change brake pads, but between the price of the pads and the cabin air filter, it was $54. Now, the only reason why it's $54, and I was really around my budget, about $60, was because they didn't have the premium pads that I actually wanted. So that stinks, right? They didn't have the pads that I wanted. So I had to go with a little lower quality pad. They're still full ceramic, but they're just a little lower quality, but that's fine. It's just an economy car. She only drives around town into the wholesale dealership. Into the wholesale shop where she gets all of her merch, all of her blank items to make merch. So don't forget, you guys, go check out the website, Flash Custom Designs, and make sure you go check out her page too. Anyway, so I know that I only had a $60 budget. So I was like, dang. But then the guy told me, he said, Carl, hey, did you know that you have $20 on your Amazon card? I said, yes, perfect. So now both the filter and the pads only came out to $54. So it's a win, okay, guys? So that's the reason why I love AutoZone. I'm not affiliated. I wish I could be affiliated, but I'm not affiliated. But I shop there so much, I always got money on my card. So I benefited today. But another thing that I've noticed is a lot of people really don't know where their cabin air filter is. She takes her car to the dealer to get oil changes. We've done it since we purchased a car. So that's what she wants to do. I don't mind. They always put full synthetic in the car. You know, it's a Toyota. They run for 1 billion miles. But recently, for the last oil change, they tried to tell her that she needed a cabin air filter because she's pushing 100,000 miles, and that they wanted to charge her $68 or something around. It was over $60. I was like, what the heck? Hell no. We are not charging $60 for a $20 cabin filter, okay? So stay tuned and watch how I teach you how to install this, okay? Let's go ahead and install it. It's super easy. Okay, so if you didn't know, the cabin air filter is located behind your glove box. And what's great is, the reason why I know this is because I've already done this. It's the exact same place for my Kia Optima. And if you don't know, maybe I'll do that video as well. But for the Toyota Corolla 2016, it's located behind here. Now yes. So she doesn't have a huge mess in here. So what you have to do is you have to get this down. So there's a little bracket right here. You just push this little tab in, that's gonna come down, okay? So there's 2 tabs. There's one right here, and there's another one over here on this side. You wanna pinch and pull. Oh wow, that thing came straight out of there. Okay, that's where it's at. Okay, so you want to stick your hand in here, and there's a little clip. Voila, okay? Pull this little buddy up there. It says up. So this goes up. We put this up here, no pun intended, because we want to remember how we pull it out. We want to remember how we pull it out is how we have to put it back in. Okay, airflow up, okay? So let's keep this facing up. Let's pull this one out of there. Let's keep it the same distance. Okay, so look how dirty that is. Holy crap. Look at the difference. Let's zoom that out. Look at the difference. Good Lord. That is disgusting. So yeah, breathing in all of this from the factory from 2016, that's disgusting. So yeah, and again, it came out like this. So we're just gonna slide it back in like this. It's gonna make the car smell so much better and actually help with the allergies. I'm not even gonna show her this. I'm just gonna show her the video when it's posted, and she's gonna be like, "Oh, you did that!" She's gonna be so happy. And let's put the cap back. So you want to get. It may feel like that this doesn't fit in there, but this is gapped. This has a little shallow area for a reason. So it's gonna kind of sit in there like that. Voila! There we go. So throw this one out. Yeet! Oh, and also, if you didn't know, your tire set button is right here. To reset your tires, your tire set button is right in there. Okay, so I messed up. Whenever you're putting this back, there's these like hooks back here, and they need to hook in first. So you want to hook those in. You want to come from here. Yep, see, I'm messing up. There you go. So now they're hooked in, clamped in, clamp these in, replace that. Voila, there you go. So yeah, what was happening was this was the thing and I was pushing it in there trying to close it and I needed to hook it and then close it. So there we go, nice and easy, opens, closes like it's supposed to. Okay guys, so yeah, so that's how you change a cabin air filter on your Toyota Corolla. I don't know what other years this might work for, but this is 2016. So probably if your Toyota Corolla looks like this one, it probably works on that. All right, guys. So, hey, I'm going to go watch this fight. I just wanted to make this quick video. And Shelly, babe, I love you. I love you so much, babe. So yeah, if you wonder why your car smells so much better, hey, it's because of daddy. No, but babe, I love you. Thank you for everything that you do. And my subscribers and fans and everybody, thank you guys for watching and tuning in to all these videos that we create. Make sure you go check out our merch, man. We got so many new companies that we're working with. We just made some merch for Jack Cole. Jack Cole, hey, what's up, man? Appreciate everything you're doing. It for some reason, as of today, it's still not there. I don't know what the heck is going on. October 17th, it's still not in London, but we definitely shipped it. We paid the $50-$60 to ship it. But yeah, we made some custom merch from him. We made some custom merch for YouTube and On a Budget right here in Houston. We made some custom merch for Jeremiah Phillips, the comedian, on YouTube. So make sure you go check out all of those guys' YouTube. Again, this is part of our business plan. So we always talk about business, automotive, sports, investing, and creating. That's our motto, keeping things basic. So that's just something that we do. You know, we have the ability to make anything that we want, and we do that, and we want to kind of collab with a lot of other YouTubers, and that's what we do. So, you know, we suggest that, and stay tuned for other videos where I'll talk on that and how to grow your YouTube and how to market without actually sending cash to a YouTuber or to somebody who's an influencer. Okay, guys, I'll wrap this video up, but thank you for watching. Make sure you check out how to change your brake pads. Make sure you check out how to change your oil. Make sure you check out all my other content. Make sure you check out Flash Custom Designs if you want to learn how to make merch and make money, because we make a lot of money. All right, guys, be safe, be basic.